之前跟大家介绍过，在这个地方由德国当时早期的一些居民来这儿定居。德国人在这定居的时候呢，开了一家做饼干的店，到现在一直延续下来，是他们比较特有的一种 cookie。一进来就闻到了饼干的香味，今天可能是他们要做这种姜饼干，所以它这里面就是有很多 ginger 的这种味道，特别好闻。我给大家看一下里面。我本来想约一个时间可以来学做这种 cookie， 但是因为我们在这个时间比较短，他们已经没有位置让我们参加了，所以我们只能来看一下他们这里边做 cookie 的加工过程。它的这个饼干的特色呢，就是非常的薄，它需要用这个擀面杖把它擀得非常非常的薄，然后一个个把它 cut 出来。
Is our most popular flavor.
Okay.
So we typically make ginger cookies from January till about mid-July. Ginger does not have any eggs in it,
Okay.
so it has a very long shelf life of 12 to 18 months.
Wow. Without any preservative? Wow, that's amazing.
So we can hold it. We can make it in January.
Yeah.
And we can hold
Still
it.
sell it for
And it's still good.
the Christmas time,
Yes.
basically. Oh, okay.
It's just the ginger cookie.
Yeah, like is there a particular reason you want
Just because it holds the longest
I see.
for Christmas.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now, we will make the other flavors as we need them,
Yeah.
but because ginger is shelf stable the longest,
Okay.
and we need it, about half our yearly production is in ginger. So,
Right.
because we need so much of it.
Right.
It takes a long time to make it. And it's actually a tougher dough to knead and roll because there is no eggs in it.
That's true.
It's very
So
sticky and stiff with all the molasses.
that's true.
So
It's really hard, and especially you want to make it super thin too, right? I'm not really familiar with the Moravian cookie. Thank you. Yeah.
they're very thin.
Yeah.
The ginger recipe, we believe, immigrated to the United States with the Moravians who came from Eastern Europe in the mid-1700s.
Okay.
So they brought it with them.
Yeah.
Now, when we taste, we always recommend you leave ginger to last.
Okay.
It has a very strong flavor.
True.
It sort of takes over your taste
Yeah, you
buds.
don't want to overpowering
Right.
the whole flavor. Sounds good.
Have some butterscotch.
Thank you.
Butterscotch.
Oh, that tastes good.
What'd you think?
And you said this is the least popular
Least
one?
popular.
This is so good.
Yeah, it's so good. I don't know what's the more popular one. It's gonna taste like.
Okay. This is gonna taste hot chocolate.
Thank you. 这是巧克力味的。
It tastes like dark chocolate.
Does it?
It does taste like hot chocolate though. We don't.
I don't have allergies to anything.
Yeah.
That's good.
Especially for cookie, definitely no. Thank you so much.
Black walnut.
Black walnut. 他说这个 black walnut 吃起来像是蓝莓，
You're my kind of friend.
确实吃起来一开始像蓝莓的味道。
Thank you.
You're welcome.
柠檬的。
That tastes like strawberry.
Strawberry.
That tastes like lemon.
I think your taste buds are.
Oh, they're so good.
Wait, it was actually strawberry flavor?
No, it was lemon.
Oh, that tastes so good. 柠檬味的。Thank you. 这个是 sugar flavor.
Yummy. That one's good.
Yeah. It's not that sweet, which is nice. 虽然它这 flavor 叫糖的 flavor， 但是它不是特别甜。
Yeah.
哪一个口味你最喜欢？ Oh, thank you.
Ginger.
The grand finale, the big piece.
Yes.
This is ginger. 说这是他们卖的最好的一款饼干 ，ginger 的 heart shape。So good， 好酥啊！一咬就碎，放到嘴里面就化的感觉。So good。
My favorite one is this one.
Yeah, I really like the butterscotch. Yeah. I don't know if it's because the first one we ever tried it and we're like, wow, this is so good. But everything else is good too. But yeah, this is really impressive.
They're all very thin.
Which one do you want to bring it home? Our butterscotch?
Butterscotch. Do you want it? And we have them in the tube. We also have them like this.
Which one do you want? In the tube or in the bag? In the bag? 他们用这种大桶把这些 cookie 都装在这里边，像啤酒桶一样，在这存放着。